Hi, this is Rachelle with Scrapcraftastic, and Smart Planner reached out to me on Instagram to see if I would be interested in trying out some of their products, and as per usual, I said yes. So let's see what we've got here. Okay, so that is how it came packaged. Okay. So we have 2 packages, one in gold, one in silver. Let's see. Ooh, let's open the gold first. Okay, so I automatically already see a teal color. This is definitely heavier than this one. Let's see what we got here. On the back it says Smart Planner Co. This is what the front looks like. This is a dot grid notebook, 170 pages, 160 GSM, ultra thick paper, no bleed through or ghosting. Key, index, and pen test pages. Oh, they are making my life difficult. This sounds so good, and it's making me think, oh, maybe I should switch to this from my Walmart Pen and Gear Traveler's Note. Well, not the Traveler's Notebook, but the insert that I'm using from Scratch Spreads, and use another notebook because the paper sounds like it's really good. Let's see. Let's take the plastic off. It's packaged really well. Thankfully, I like this little zigzag rickrack design on the packaging. You know, I always keep these in the book, but let's see. Does it say anything? Our planner evolves with your feedback. Leave your, okay, blah, 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 182 pages, 5.7 by 8.6. So that's a 5. 160G expandable inner back pocket, community guided updates, non-dated for a, okay. I don't think that applies to the dot grid notebook. Okay, so set that aside. Gratitude, the quality of being thankful, readiness to show appreciation for and to return kindness. Let us be grateful to the people who make us happy. They are the charming gardeners who make our souls blossom. Marcel Proust. Okay, your review makes all the difference. This is information about leaving a review, entering a contest, etc., etc. This could also be used as a very nice page mark. And I like that it is black. So when you open it up, let's move this over out of the way for now. And I want to keep this close by because I want to keep it in the notebook. This is so nice. Okay, so you have a nameplate, I guess is what that would be called, on the end papers. Then this is the key page. And this paper is, you hear that? That paper is thick. There's another key page. It's index. Now the index, let's see. Oop, yep. It's nice. So if you write bigger, then you can write between the darker lines. And if you write smaller, you have a dashed line in the center. Then you could write 2 rows in between the dark lines. Hopefully that makes sense. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4 index pages. I doubt that's enough, but and then it gets into the dot grid. I mean, this paper is almost nice enough to make a good art journal. It feels like cardstock. Well, a lightweight cardstock. Kind of like so maybe a little lighter than the Hot Buy papers from Michaels. Very heavy duty. I've never experienced paper like this in a journal. And the paper is white. It is not cream. It is not off-white. It is white, which I like. It has 3 ribbon page marks in the same color or same color family as the cover. This is nice. Ugh. And then let's go on. The pages are numbered, very tiny numbers. Let's flip on to the back. It is a stitched binding. Ooh. So that is why it's so thick, because of the excellent paper quality. So 170 numbered pages. Then this is a pen test page. 1, 2, 3, 4 pen test pages. And then this is the end paper and the pocket. Let's stick this in the pocket. Is there anything in there? I like the design of the end papers. I like that it's not just plain white. I like this notebook. This won't fit in the pocket. I really like this. The paper won me over. The paper color has won me over. I think it's excellent. So this is Smart Planner. This is the Dot Grid notebook. Their website is smartplanner.co. There it is. And I'll leave all the information in the description box below. Wow, I need to use this. And not just for writing notes. I need to use it for something special. And it's thicker than your average journal. I don't know if you can tell that. And it's pretty weighty. It's pretty substantial in weight. Oh, and it does have a pen loop on the side. Let's see. I have a tool pen here that will go in there. That's a pretty big pen too. So yeah, that is nice. I don't like my elastics being twisted up. Let's straighten that out. Very nice. I don't know what other colors it comes in, but I kind of like this color. I probably wouldn't have picked it for myself, but now that I have it, I like it. Okay, so let's put that over there. Let's open this one. Okay, here we go. So this one is Smart Planner Pro. Let's open it up. So I'm not that crazy about this color. And this is like a fabric cover. I'm pretty sure that's fabric. This feels like a faux leather type of cover. This is a 13-month non-dated monthly and weekly spreads, monthly calendars, daily schedules, goal setting, self-scoring, to-do and notes sections, habit tracking, gratitude, affirmations, 2020, 2021, 2022, 2023 calendar, 10 lined pages, 10 blank pages, 3 bookmarks, and a pocket. 100% built on user feedback and community guided updates. This is version 4.0. And let's take this off. Another of the page markers. This is what the end papers, let's move this over. This is what the end paper looks like. This planner belongs to your opportunity, may be right where you are now. Napoleon Hill, Smart Planner Pro. Okay, so before we go any further, these are some icon stickers. I do like these better than some that I have seen. The colors are nicer. The paper is nicer. We got the date dots. Excellent. So we got the months. Then for each month, day off, meeting. And then some more date dots. And I guess the date dots match with the month. They do. So that's nice. Yeah, the date dots match the month colors. Okay. So, and I don't think these will fit in the back pocket either. I'm going to set those aside. This planner belongs to, we already did, the year at a glance for 2020, 2021. This again has nice quality paper. It has a quote on one side and information on contacting them for comments and feedback. Then here we get into the monthly calendars. Okay, so this is the monthly. Then it has a space for your goals. Brainstorm thoughts, notes at the bottom. It is neutral. And I guess all the months are together, which is pretty typical. And they are all the same. Like I said, 13 months. And then weekly calendars. Oh, this is too much for me. I like it. It's clean. It's neutral, but it's still too much. And here's why. I don't necessarily need timed. Sometimes it's good. Sometimes I need it. Sometimes I don't. This is nice if you are that person that needs, you know, the times. Okay, here's the habit tracker. That's different. So habit tracker 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you write down the habits here. So whatever habit number 1, habits to make 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then you check them off each day. That's different. The gratitude, I don't necessarily like the forced gratitude. I don't like a planner to have such specific things for you to fill in. And then if you're not doing that, you have to cover it or white it out, or you don't have to, but you may choose to. Yeah, this might not work for everybody with gratitude like that. Then week review, victories, then score to improve. What I do like is that it is actually all vertical. Even though Saturday and Sunday are a little shorter, they're pretty much the same length as far as space as the rest of the week. You do have room down at the bottom here for notes. That's good. You also have to do and notes in the left column. Also, these boxes, I can look at them and tell, are not the typical width of planner sticker full boxes or half boxes or quarter boxes. They are 1 1/4 instead of 1 1/2. So there's that. And if you're not a decorator, then that doesn't matter. I like the way they have the Monday through Sunday, and so that you do have room to fill in the date. Let me look at the monthlies again. Oh, the monthly is Monday through Sunday. I'm not a Monday through Sunday monthly person, even though I'm a Monday through Sunday weekly planner person, but it's cool. So, and there's nothing numbered on the pages, but we do get back here to the notes and brainstorm section. So you get some lined paper, again with a very light line in between the darker lines. So if you write small, you have a little extra space there. Let's keep going. Then these are the blank pages. You could do your vision boards, you could do your drawing and doodling, and you could still do pen tests on this paper because I think it's just as good as the other paper. Oh, that's different. We sincerely hope this planner helps you achieve all your dreams. It always seems impossible until it's done. Nelson Mandela. Now, I do like this pocket, the way that it is. Instead of the one that goes to the side, this one I like much better. And I know these aren't going to fit in there, but I'm going to try it anyway. Nope. No. So, ooh, I bent up the paper. So again, great, awesome paper quality. You'd have to determine if this type of weekly setup would work for you. From what we read here, it seems like this is what 100% built on user feedback and community guided updates. So I guess this is what a lot of people want in their planner. Since y'all know I'm in it for the deco, not necessarily the productivity, because I don't need it for the productivity. I would want to be able to decorate a little bit more. So, but that is it for the Smart Planner Pro. This is a journal style planner, meaning it's in a book. It's perfect bound. I think it is. It's in a bound book. So, and this is what it looks like. And I didn't show you the bookmarks, but you get 3 red ribbon bookmarks. They are sealed on the ends, so they shouldn't unravel. Same with the dot grid. I'm actually a little more impressed with the notebook than I am with the planner. They're both awesome though. This one also has a pen loop, and it looks to be about the same size as the other one. So it's pretty thick tool pen. Let's see. Yep, slides in there. No problem. Okay, yeah, it's pretty nice. It's just the prompts like gratitude, victories, week review. I'm not interested in doing all of that. So that's the only drawback to me, the main drawback, and the unnecessary times. I could even get over the time thing because, like I said, some days it matters. So okay, so that's it for the Smart Planner Pro. Again, I will leave all of their information in the description box below. So if you're interested, go check it out. They're both excellent quality. I can say that for sure. So yes, both of these are lovely, excellent quality. The paper is bomb. So that's it for this unboxing from smartplanner.co. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that little gray bell so that you'll receive notification each time I upload a new video. Be sure to check the community tab and my stories for updates throughout the week. Also, check us out at patreon.com/Scrapcraftastic for exclusive content and digital downloads. Visit my other channel, Journal Life's Journey, for craft videos and junk journals. You can find me across social media at Scrapcraftastic. Visit my website and shop at scrapcraftastic.com. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.